Hi guys, happy Thursday. So I got some requests on the tooth powder that I shared in one of my stories. So we're gonna go into the kitchen and make that. You're gonna use pretty much all the ingredients you already have in your pantry, but the main ingredient is bentonite clay. Bentonite clay is awesome. It cleans your body and your face, it cleans the inside of your mouth, it pulls out any heavy metals and impurities. And I found this at the health food store by me. You can also order it online. The Redmond Real Salt Company also mines this, the bentonite clay, so I'm gonna order from there. And then we'll make it. It takes like 2 minutes, and then I'll show you what it looks like to brush with the tooth powder. It's different, but let me tell you, you feel like you left the dentist after you brush your teeth. Let's go. Some of the flavorings you can use are crushed clove, fennel, cinnamon, and spearmint. To your jar, you're going to add 4 tablespoons of bentonite clay, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. You're also going to add 1 heaping teaspoon of your sweetener of choice, and any flavorings you like. Fennel, spearmint, cinnamon, clove. I'm going to do about 4 drops of spearmint, and I take a wooden stick or a chopstick and I just stir everything together really well. Try not to use any metal when mixing the products together. I will give it a little bit of a taste. A few extra drops and it's perfect. Okay friends, we're in the bathroom. We're gonna do this. Now this tooth powder I made a couple days ago. I used cinnamon and clove that I ground up. And this one is a little too intense for the kids. And then today we made the spearmint one, which I tasted and it's really good. And yes, you can swallow it, you can ingest it, but you cannot spit it down the drain. So I've been using my trash can, but I went and found this today at the DG, which I love. And I'm just gonna use this little canister, it's glass, put a paper towel in there. You have to spit into a garbage or trash because the clay will clog your pipes and you do not want that. So make sure you don't spit the paste down the drain. All right folks, all you do is wet your toothbrush down, take a scoop, nice big scoop of the powder, and brush your teeth. That's it. So the tooth powder doesn't sud, but it does taste really, really good. And it leaves your teeth feeling so clean and your breath is fresh. Y'all, this is amazing. I hope that you go and make your own homemade tooth powder. Get your bentonite clay. You can make a face mask, brush your teeth, scrub your feet. This stuff is awesome. It takes out all the heavy metals and all the impurities and all the negative things that are affecting your body inside and out. So I really hope that you can do this, and I really, 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 really appreciate you. Okay, enjoy!